Good morning. This is Bill with Severe Radar Watchers. We got another bad day, possible severe weather, especially in Oklahoma, Texas, southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri. This can go on from at this moment until tonight. So we're going over a few things here, looking at what the SPC says. Like I said, everybody needs to be safe tonight with this going on. Let's look at the severe weather outlooks for today. As you notice, there is a moderate risk for North Texas, Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, and extreme southwest Missouri. This is what the SPC is saying. Severe thunderstorms are likely today and tonight across southern and central plains into the lower and to mid Missouri Valley. The most numerous intense storms are expected from North Texas into Oklahoma and southeast Kansas, where strong tornadoes, very large hail, 2 to 3 inches in diameter, and damaging winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour possible. The regional severe weather outbreak is expected from across these areas. And they did note that there is a possibility of a tornado outbreak, like we saw yesterday. Yesterday was a bad day for tornadoes, especially across this region that's going to get hit again. All right, we're going to look at the tornado outlook, and you see here they've actually added a 15% hatched area right here. That's for where the moderate risk is at this moment. You see North Texas, pretty much all of Oklahoma. It's a little part of southwest Missouri. They're talking about in southern Kansas, southeastern Kansas. Then you got your 10% hatch that goes more down into the Fort Worth, Dallas area. Dallas, Fort Worth, Kansas City, Arlington, and Wichita. You get this pulled up here. It's not going to do right. Like I said, a significant severe is Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, and Tulsa. There's a 15% in this significant area for Oklahoma, Tulsa, Norman, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. Then you got the 10% hatched, that is for Dallas, Fort Worth, Kansas City, Arlington, and Wichita. And then we got a 5% for Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Springfield, Mesquite, Texas, and Waco, Texas. And then a 2% goes all the way to Chicago, San Antonio, Austin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Omaha, Nebraska. Now let's look at the wind outlook, the hail outlook. So this is our hail outlook for today. This is our wind outlook. Sorry, I messed up on that. Like I said, we got a significant severe wind outlook for Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma, and Tulsa, and Arlington. And then you see this 15% goes all the way down from extreme southern Texas, all the way into the Great Lakes region. Also that 5%. Now let's look at the hail. Let me go back here. I know y'all thinking this is long, but I've got to get this in. This is very important today. In the purple area, well, we got a significant severe area for hail today. The hatched area you see covers Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Tulsa. The 45%, which is the purple area, is for Oklahoma, Tulsa, Norman, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton. That's where you're going to see your largest hail. You'll see 2 to 5 inches possibility of hail. I know they said 2 to 3. It depends on the freezing level and how much updraft to keep it going. Keep spinning that hail in the atmosphere in the freezing level until it gets heavy enough to drop. Then that's where you get your hail size. Then we got a 30% chance of hail. It's also significant severe in Dallas, Fort Worth, Kansas City, Arlington, Wichita Falls, and then the 15% with the hatched area. You see the hatched area is over in Kansas, all the way down to the Texas border, into Missouri, Iowa, parts of Nebraska, and extreme. I think that's Colorado. I'm not good with my states yet. And then the regular 15% goes all the way up to Milwaukee, Chicago, up into the Great Lakes like Grand Rapids, Michigan. And the 5%, which is the brown, goes all the way up there too, up to Illinois, San Antonio, Chicago, Austin. All right, we're going to look at some radar now. I'm going to pull up GR2. We're going to look at some storms that are already firing up. If you look in this area, we've already got storms firing up. We got hail, about half-inch hail already falling there. And like I said, this is pretty much the area that got hit yesterday. Currently in El Reno, temperature is 72 degrees with a dew point of 68. It's cloudy. There's a fog mist right now. And let's see. So that's what the temperature there is right now. So this area is got a lot of moisture with that dew points, higher dew points. Like in Clinton, Oklahoma right now, we got a thunderstorm, 70 degrees temp, 64 dew point, and the wind gust is from the south 18 miles per hour will gust up to 25 miles per hour. So like I said, this is where we're starting to see it's starting to build. And then we'll look at the tornado watch that's currently in place. This area in yellow is where the tornado watch is currently located. All right. The Storm Prediction Center has issued tornado watch for western Oklahoma, northwest Texas until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A few tornadoes are likely. Scattered large hail, isolated very large hail events 2.5 inches in diameter are likely. Wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Then they put a summary here. Thunderstorm development is underway across northwest Texas, and these storms will spread northeastward across the western Oklahoma through the morning. Despite the time of day, the environment will be favorable for supercell clusters, capable of producing a few tornadoes, very large hail, and isolated damaging gusts. The tornado watch is along a 50 statute miles east and west of a line from 40 miles south of Childers, Texas, to 20 miles northeast of Alva, Oklahoma. Also, tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch areas. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements, and possible warnings. All right, we've already got a severe thunderstorm warning right here. We're going to look at it. All right. Lubbock, Texas issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hall County in the Panhandle until 10 a.m. Thunderstorm was located 11 miles north of Turkey, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. It does have ping pong size hail and 60-mile wind gust, and this is radar indicated. Locations impacted include Memphis, Turkey, Lakeview, and Pulaski County community. So that's what we're looking at right here. Is this severe thunderstorm warning? Look at the velocity. Not much of the velocity. Let me see if I can get it up for radar site. See if we can change radar site. See if we got something better. That's probably the closest one. Let me check see what Amarillo shows. Amarillo's, yeah, it's in the radar hole right now in this area, so it's gonna be hard to see it. But you can see here this area is where all the hail is produced going. All right, let's go back to GR2. It does better. You can see here you got the going. I'm putting in the directions right now for this severe thunderstorm. All right, like I said, you can see that's where the hail is at. Let me see if I get this to pull up my slice. There's the slice. Let's zoom in on this slice. Zoom out on the base velocity. Then we'll check the INROT. There's nothing really showing on the INROT. The INROT's what we look at for any possibility of rotation. But you see, it's not much at all. All right. Close that out. But like I said, today we need to be on alert for what's happening. Like it's definitely going to be some severe weather in these areas. I'm hoping it's nothing like it was yesterday, where we've had multiple. We had about 100 tornadoes yesterday. I'll tell you exactly how many tornadoes we had. Storm reports for yesterday. Yesterday we had 100 tornadoes, 37 wind, 78 hail, which is a total of 215 reports. Building damage, brief tornadoes. I mean, all through this is nothing but damage to multiple places. In Shelby County, Iowa, significant damage between Portsmouth and Harlem. Destroyed homes, cars flipped. It was also a multi-vortex tornado. I'm trying to get the Oklahoma one. Reports on it. Actually, in Lancaster, Nebraska, a train derailment, Highway 6 and I-48 had 480 had a semi rollover. But that's pretty much it. I'm trying to find the Oklahoma one, but I don't see it on here yet. I said Oklahoma got hit pretty bad. So did Iowa yesterday. A lot of them in Iowa and Nebraska. So everybody stay safe. Take all your precautions. Listen to multiple ways of getting your weather alerts. Local TV stations, your phones. Make sure your wireless alerts are on. Weather radio is the best. If you got one, if not, go to Walmart. They got them for $25. The best investment you'll make living in these areas, living during severe weather. Your local TV app, local meteorologist apps. Follow your local meteorologist on X or Twitter, whatever you call. And some of your local meteorologists will actually have Facebook Live, go Facebook Live, or on their station YouTube channel. But everybody have a great day. Be safe. Stay weather aware. Please like and subscribe. We need more followers. We're going to be doing a lot more things. I've got some videos to post from Chase's that I have not posted yet due to college. But y'all have a great day. Talk to you later. God bless.